What's going on, guys? It's Payton Fisher, and we are doing the Parade of Home Tours 2022, and we are out at one of the American Heritage homes. Super excited. We did actually a sneak peek on this property about a month and a half ago. Super excited to get to show you guys through this house. It is 4,578 feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom on 2 floors, 3-car garage. This place is spectacular. Let me turn around and show you what we've got. Called the Telluride at the North Slope. Super cool house. Fun stamped concrete as we walk up to the front here. Grand entryway. Lots of texture through this. If I remember right, this house has tons of texture. Love this. They're going to have some of those trumpet vines, it looks like. Going to climb up those walls there. I love this big arched door. Super awesome.
Welcome in.
Thank you.
We'll have you start in the master and then up the stairs from there.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy.
All right, so we're gonna go to the left of the master just so you can kind of see. So when we came in here last time, the floors, I believe, were all colored. Whoa, we didn't have that cool light fixture in here. All right, we're gonna come into the master. Now, these do open. We were able to go through those the last time. They've got those blocked off now. That's okay. As we come in here, ooh, we've got the carpet all done in here. Lights are on, fixtures in. Looks so much better now that the washer and dryer's in also. Tons and tons of space. And you've got the great big mirror so you can check yourself out. And we've got the knobs on the doors. Those are really cool. Gold. Oh, this was one of my favorite parts of this whole house. It literally feels like you're in a castle hotel. The showers are absolutely massive. Huge tub. Just a lot of cool texture on this. Double vanity here.
Yeah, and then just hang on to these when you go to the homes. You might throw a bit, but just feel like...
That carpet is pretty cool. You can't tell if there's a pattern in it or what. Great big windows. Some really fun, pretty views. See tons of room down there. Huge giant beams across the top. Now, we did get a step out on that the last time, but they're not letting anybody else out on the patio now. So, 1 bedroom. We'll walk down to the next bedroom here and bedrooms. This is the fun entertainment room that we were in last time. They got it all done. Hello.
Hi.
So I've got the big projector up here. Turn around so you can see. They have these to where you can open them so you can get some fresh air through here. Into another bedroom here. Got the walk-in closets, which are always nice. And all of these built-ins, the closets. And then this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. The nice part about this is once the parade is over, they'll put a door back on this so someone can be showering and someone else can be getting ready to go for the day. So this is that other bedroom. This one has a door out to the balcony in the back, which is nice. Now we'll head back downstairs. So this is like the formal dining room. Massive vaulted ceilings. I think those are 20 feet, 18 feet, something huge. And then this is what we didn't get to see. That is crazy. The patterns on there is amazing. And then they have a thermidor. It looks like a wine cooler. Looks like they have lots of water in there right now. This is so cool. I want to say this was imported, I think, from Italy. Don't quote me on that. But that is so fun. So when we come out here, oh, that looks so cool. That's all marble. Looks like that's one piece. I'm going to swing you around here so you can see this whole thing. Big, huge island. Over here into the fireplace. Huge. Hey, how do we get out to the backyard?
Huh?
How do we get out to the backyard? Is it around there?
Straight through there. Yep.
Perfect. Okay, thank you.
Yep. And the home is.
Yesterday we got.
500 square feet.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Last time when we were here, we got to go out this door, but those are all blocked off today. So this is like another little nook eating area. Really pretty lights. And I love this. This is LVP, you guys. That's not marble. I really thought it was when he showed me that. So this is like the mother-in-law bedrooms, more walk-ins. Really beautiful color on the showers. I like how they did the different color of that, of the build out right there, to give yourself a little shelf there. And this is a little nook here where you can sit down, put your clothes on. Whoa, that is some cool wallpaper. Blacked out. That's awesome. All right, let's go check out the backyard here. Looks like they've got some vines that they're going to be covering that whole back wall. Nice big area back here to sit. There, I gotta mention there's tons of lighting up here. That way when you're out here in the evening, it is gonna be incredible. And this pool, so fun, this dark color. Oh, I just love it. And then we've got the sounds from the hot tub over here with the little river, little stream. Oh, and I didn't even notice the floor on here. That's some cool tile. Excuse me. So into the laundry room. Tons of cabinet and storage space. Really nice big areas full of laundry, and you've got your big sink in there. Tons of storage space. Just keeps going and going. And then in here, got the big garage, the 2-car garage on this side. And then the single car over on this side. I think there was some side-by-sides in here before. All right, we are done with this home. If you guys have questions, comments, put them below. Tell me what you liked and what you disliked about this home, and we'll see you on the next tour. See ya.